Your lead funnel is not just costing you time, it's also draining your efficiency. From automated lead capturing to keeping them engaged with smarter outreach, this video has everything you need. Running a small web agency means juggling endless tasks. Projects, client calls, proposals, lead generation often falls behind. A typical agency faces the same chaos, losing leads weekly because they lacked a streamlined process. It wasn't that they didn't care, they just didn't have a system yet. But now, their website form triggers an entire onboarding funnel automatically. Leads get tagged, segmented, and nurtured with email sequences while they stay focused on billable work. Everything gets done automatically with fluentcrm. It's true that it doesn't happen overnight, but once they set up the right workflows, lead capture, email automation, and segmentation, everything started falling into place. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can build it too. Your website gets decent traffic, but most visitors leave without leaving any contact info, causing you to lose potential clients. And without their details, you have no way to follow up and turn them into clients. However, an automated system for collecting and organizing contact info can build a lead pipeline for consistent nurturing and conversion. And at the same time, manually tracking inquiries from various sources is inefficient and prone to errors. This results in lost leads and missed opportunities. Automating this process ensures every lead is captured, organized, and ready for timely follow-up. This saves time and increases the likelihood of closing deals. Let's fix this by setting up a lead capture form that feeds directly into fluentcrm. So start by opening Fluent Forms from the WordPress dashboard. Create a new form. I can use the AI form builder or start with a basic contact form template. I'll go with the template for now. Now let's customize it. I'll remove the subject and message fields. And instead, add a drop-down asking, what are you interested in? Okay, with options like consultation request, product availability, and price inquiry. Okay, as that's done, let's save the form. Next, let's go to the settings and integration. Okay, so let's choose fluentcrm integration and add a new feed. I'll select a list called website visitors and map the email field. That's crucial. Then let's add a tag like site sign up to track these leads. You can also enable double opt-in for spam control or skip contacts that already exist. Finally, I'm going to embed the form on my homepage. Or I can go for an easier approach and enable the built-in landing page feature. Done. Every visitor who fills out this form is now instantly captured in fluentcrm. Capturing leads is just the start, but without quick follow-up, they go cold fast. Potential clients lose interest or move to competitors who reach out first. The solution? Prioritized follow-ups that keep leads warm and drive conversions. The problem? Manual emailing doesn't scale. Spending hours on individual outreach means missed opportunities, while generic messages get ignored. Instead, personalized automated sequences let you engage efficiently, deliver tailored messages, and turn more leads into clients. To make this effortless, I will build an automated follow-up sequence in fluentcrm that keeps leads warm without lifting a finger. Let's head into fluentcrm. Then, from the automations, I'm going to create a new automation. As for the trigger, I'm going to choose Tag Applied and select the site signup tag I just set up. Now, I need to build the sequence. First, let's send a welcome email. Welcome email. Okay. Thank them for signing up. I can offer a small incentive like maybe a 10% discount and set expectations. Add a wait block for 1 day. Then I'll send another email with the subject 3 tips to get started with us. Wait 2 more days. Then send an email titled How Others Benefit from Us, featuring a short client story or testimonial. Finally, follow up with a CTA email ready to get started, offering a free consultation or next step. This whole sequence runs automatically. Every new lead gets nurtured consistently without any manual outreach. Sending the same email to everyone doesn't work. Generic messages feel unimportant, so people ignore them or unsubscribe. But when you tailor emails based on behavior or interests, you boost engagement and conversions. The bigger issue? Treating loyal clients and cold leads the same. Without segmentation, loyal customers get the undervalued with bland offers, while cold leads get overwhelmed. The fix? Group contacts by journey stage or preferences. So you can nurture leads with the right content and reward loyal clients with personalized offers. That's why I'm going to set up proper segmentation using Fluent CRM's lists and segments. In Fluent CRM, let's head to Contacts, then List tab, Create New List. I'll name it Campaign Contacts. Let's save it. Next, from the Segments tab, let's create new segment. Let's name it Active Customers. Okay, choose the campaign contacts list and add filters like purchased at least 2 times and clicked email link. Now I can mix and or logic to personalize this further. Now I've got a segment of engaged, high intent customers ready for targeted offers. Even when you group your audience, generic emails still fail. If your messages don't match what people care about, they won't respond. But when you send the right message to the right group, you get better results and more sales. Here's why it matters. Basic emails feel like spam and people ignore them or unsubscribe. But personalized emails that solve the real problems, build trust, keep people interested, and turn leads into customers. To capitalize on this, let's send a high converting email campaign to our active customer segment. In Fluent CRM, I'll go to All Campaigns and create a new campaign. Use a template or the visual builder to design the email. Set the subject line, exclusive offer just for you. You can even A or B test subjects if you'd like. Next, choose your audience. Select the active customer segment we created earlier. Use tags or advanced filters to narrow this further if needed. Preview the email and send a test version to yourself to check formatting. Once everything looks good, choose to send immediately or maybe schedule it for a specific time. This campaign now speaks directly to your most engaged customers. Want your system to do more heavy lifting? Fluent CRM has you covered. Check email performance with clear reports on opens and clicks. Win back sales with automated WooCommerce abandoned cart emails. And nail the perfect subject line with A/B testing. You can connect Fluent Forms or Lifter LMS for seamless data flow. And the best part? Everything runs in your WordPress dashboard, making your life easier. That's the full workflow. From capturing leads to nurturing, segmenting, and targeting them with the right message. Once it's in place, you don't just have a mailing list, you have a CRM system that works 24/7, qualifying leads, warming them up, and helping you close more deals with less effort. All powered by Fluent CRM and 100% native to WordPress.